This is 13.1, recording of payroll. This is found on page 368 of your book. We worked with paying employees last chapter and working on what that means to make sure people are getting paid and writing their paycheck and preparing our payroll account. So we looked at this last chapter, this payroll register of their name, their earnings, all their deductions, their net pay. So you learned how to do this last chapter. Now we need to analyze the payment of a payroll. So we need to have our salary expense will be debited, because remember, all expenses are debited. And if you look at that debit number, what we are having to pay out, should equal all of these credits in all these different things that we're paying out. So we have our cash credit, what we're paying out, and then we have things that are going to, employee income tax, Social Security, Medicare, health insurance, any savings bond, United Way. That would just be like a donation that this company will give out, and obviously our cash, like I said prior. The next thing we need to look at is how we are going to journalize the payment of a payroll. So again, if you would think about that T account or that accounting equation that we had where our debits equal our credits, we need to do the same thing here. We will have our cash go in our cash credit, and then everything else that we pay will be in the general credit underneath that account title. So our salary expense will be debited. Everything will be credited here. The title of the accounts. Our check number will be written here. So up here it says December 15th, paid cash for payroll, 460946, check number 335. So the paid cash part will go here. We'll need to add in all of our expense account, or what our accounts are, add those together, and that should equal our salary expense debit.